breaking news that's coming in. Mir, stay with me. The crackdown on the terrorists and terror supporters after Operation Sindoor continues, and these are those who'd helped the terrorists, the Pakistani terrorists who came and targeted. 26 people were killed. Hindus were singled out and massacred in Pahalgam in front of their wives and children. And a local person from Kashmir, and his name is Muhammad Yusuf Kataria. Muhammad Yusuf Kataria has now been arrested by the police in Jammu and Kashmir. He's reported to have provided assistance and logistics support to these terrorists who came in from Pakistan. I want to once again bring in Mir Farid for more on the story. Mir, what more do we know of this Muhammad Yusuf Kataria, and what role did he have to play in aiding those Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists who came from Pakistan and massacred innocent Hindus and Indians in Jammu and Kashmir and Pahalgam?
Well, Gaurav, we know the investigation right now is at a stage where you can call it a reverse investigation. They're trying to figure out each and every angle, and the most important part is that once this Lashkar squad infiltrated, who all helped them. I mean, it's not just about Pahalgam attack, but they were here months before the Pahalgam attack. So who all helped them, especially when they were trying to move towards the South Kashmir areas and especially Anantnag through Kulgam. There were reports that they were helped by OGW's people, especially who live on the higher reaches. Now, this person came under the scanner once the belongings or the weapons and especially the mobile devices of these three terrorists were looked into, and his name cropped up. There was a detailed investigation. They had brought a charger, a mobile charger from a shop in Kulgam. From there, they got further leads, and finally they came to this buck stopped at his place. This person was arrested, and now we have come to know that he helped these terrorists when they were in Kulgam, moving through the South Kashmir areas, and this was almost 4-5 months before the Pahalgam attack. While he has no direct role in the Pahalgam attack, but for their survival and by providing them logistics, he ensured that he helped them while they were staying in the forest area. So that's what they're telling us. And he's a teacher by profession, a seasonal teacher. He's from Mazhama area of Kulgam, and right now he has been detained. He's under arrest, and his questioning is underway. So all these angles are being
Keep tracking that story, Mir. I will come back to you for more. It's very important to crack down on the overground workers, because unless these Pakistani terrorists get local support of these overground workers of terrorist organizations, whether it's Lashkar-e-Taiba or Jaish-e-Mohammed, whatever secular name like the Resistance Front they may try to give these radical Islamist organizations, the fact remains these terrorists will be like fish out of water. It's because of local support that they're able to survive, and that is why it's very important to continue draining the pond to ensure there is no overground worker who assists these elements. Evidence-based prosecution and punishment is required.